Trump travel bans. Should you be worried? What should you know? How is this going to impact your case? Hi, I'm attorney Megan Pastrana of Immigration for Couples, and my firm is dedicated exclusively to helping couples across the nation and across the world in navigating the immigration process. So, travel bans. I've been receiving a ton of questions about this. The Trump administration has been talking about releasing a travel ban that would impact 43 countries. And I started a video series called Why the Sky is Not Falling by attorney Megan Pastrana. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do so. What I'm doing with this series is not to minimize what's going on in the world, but helping you to be empowered and educated so you can take steps forward with clarity. So please be sure to subscribe, and please let me know in the comments, what are the rumors you have been hearing? What are your burning questions? What do you need answered to have peace, clarity, and confidence in your immigration journey? So let's dive into this travel ban announcement. And I'd like to kind of break this down into what do we know right now, and what is the impact that we know will occur from these travel bans. So again, I said there are 43 countries that are on this list. It's a lot of countries, and so I have them here pulled up in front of me. I'm not going to read all of them, but what we do know currently about these travel bans is that the administration has broken countries down into three categories: red, orange, and yellow. And the red category is what they're saying will be full visa suspension, orange, partial visa suspension, and three will be on a probationary period. So the red category includes countries like Afghanistan, Venezuela, Somalia. In the orange, we have Belarus, Haiti, yellow, Angola, Antigua and Barbuda. There's tons of countries, like I said, 43. We'll post them in the notes in the comments. So what we do know is that they've broken them down into three categories. And what we don't know right now is what is going to be the impact, because outside of announcing that there's a travel ban, we don't know who will be impacted. We don't know at this point whether spouse visas and fiance visa cases are going to be impacted. We don't know the extent of whether or not this is going to extend to lawful permanent residents. And there's just a lot of unknowns. So that's the point, is all we know right now are there's these three categories that are 43 countries that are on the list. But what we do know, and what I want you to walk away with, is that immigration is still accepting applications. So if you currently have a spouse or fiance visa case that's pending, your case is still pending. It's still in the queue to be reviewed. You can still file applications. And another thing that we know about the travel bans from history and from the prior Trump administration's travel bans is that it was a very litigious 4 years, that there were a lot of protests. There were a lot of activity in courts as it was being litigated as to whether or not these travel bans could even be in place. So please stay tuned. As we have updates, we will let you know what we're seeing and the changes that we're seeing, but this is what is known at this point in time. I invite you to check out my free resource center at immigrationforcouples.com. Thanks for watching.